What's good, guys? So really quick tutorial today, how to make money selling gift cards. I'm going to show you my account so you guys know this is all legit. I'll refresh the page. Here's how much money you could be making this quarter for selling gift cards, right? So this was last year. We made about 40 grand worth of gift card sales. 25 grand has never been redeemed, so we just got to keep that, which is awesome. And on this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that this year. This video is coming out right around Black Friday and right before Christmas and holiday time. So it couldn't be a better time to make this tutorial for you guys to sell more gift cards. And using this method, we're not relying on any kind of advertising. This is purely word of mouth or using your existing customer base to resell them on buying your service again. So before we start, make sure you subscribe for more videos like this and stay till the end of the video because I have something crazy to share with you. Let's dive in. I'm just going to open up our Notion. For those of you that don't know, this is like our detail mastermind where we go over literally everything car detail business. And today I'm just going to be showing you the gift card part of it. And primarily we're going to be using this offer right here. So this is kind of an offer we sent last week and it worked pretty well. I think we've made about 3 grand from it, but it was kind of a soft launch to really make a lot of money on Black Friday, which is actually going to be tomorrow for me while I'm recording this. So you bet I'm going to send this out. This is kind of the message template that I have preloaded here for Black Friday. We also have another one that we're going to be sending out on Cyber Monday, kind of like a last chance promo. And we're going to be using Field to send these out. Field is kind of our all-in-one software that we use for dispatching jobs, scheduling appointments. It's basically our lifeline of the business. And they have this feature right here inside of marketing where you can send out an SMS blast. Also, if you're new to Field, it's really easy to import all of your contacts into it. Like me personally, I transferred from House Call Pro because Field just had better features for a lower price. And this is definitely one of my favorite features here. So if we go back into the Notion, grab this text real quick, just plug it in to our Field SMS, and you could see that it is ready to send out. So this is exactly what I'm going to send out at 1 p.m. There's even a test feature. There's even a test feature here where you could input your own phone number and click the test button. It'll send it to you and you could check if it's working correctly before clicking next and sending it to all your customers. So we've been around for a few years, so we've collected quite a few phone numbers. We've got about 2,500 people in this pipeline. But what's really cool about Field is I could choose to send this out to people that haven't booked in the past week, so that let's say you have an offer like, hey, 30% off car details this week, and you already have a bunch of people that have booked this week. You don't want to anger them. You could actually select people that haven't booked the past 14 days, and that way they can't be angry because they never got the text, right? Besides that, service area, I would for this, I would just select everybody because the gift cards kind of apply to everyone. Everyone wants to get gift cards for their friends and family. And what's really crucial here is you want to put a limit or make it seem scarce. So I put limit 3 per customer, sale ends Monday, right? So that already is kind of making it seem scarce. And all I have is a link here to my website, which if you Google Go Detail, and just click our gift cards page, you could see what that looks like. So all they're doing is they're going here, grabbing this gift card, and it's kind of our deal of the year. Essentially, we're still making our $100 per hour that we shoot for. We're just adding on a few extras that don't take much time at all to add in there. So like our bonus number one is our customers are going to get a free wax, and it's really easy for us to apply spray wax. Just takes 5-10 minutes. And then the other thing we're doing is Rain-X windshield coating. Here in Portland, it rains a lot, so visibility's in the rain especially is very important, and we want to make sure our customers have are safe driving their vehicles. So we kind of put this in as a special thank you offer. So that's really it. It's basically our bronze or silver inside out detail package. So really quick, basic, clean, plus these few extras that don't take much time at all. And we do a 50% discount on that package, right? We're still making $100 per hour, but it seems like a great deal now because we are throwing in these freebies, which are valued at like $75 each, and like a few other things inside of the description here. These go nuts. So last year, if we look at the graph, this was November, like Black Friday, I sent out a text, and then Cyber Monday, we made close to 10 grand. And then I did this again around December time, and we made another 10 grand, which was really cool. And like I said, 25 grand, like out of the 40 grand of gift cards we sold last year in total, 25 grand has yet to be redeemed, meaning people never used it. Maybe it's in a drawer somewhere, forgotten about. They never expire, but some of them never get used. And getting paid $100 per hour is our goal at Go Detail at the shop. So I don't mind if someone redeems it 2, 3, 5 years from now, because we were still getting paid $100 an hour. Now, a common question I get is, how do you connect this? Like, where is this? Just on the website, or how do you host this gift card service? And what I use is GiftUp. So it's an all-in-one gift card platform, and you could even customize your designs here. These are all handmade by me and my team. We made each and every one of these photos either using AI or using Photoshop. But yeah, these are really, really eye-catching, as you could see. And you could probably look up a YouTube video on more in-depth tutorial of how to use GiftUp, but the gist of it is, you have if you go into settings and gift card, you could add your artwork here. If you go to promotions, this is where you add your 50% off, so it displays correctly. So far we've sold 13 of these, and it's not even Black Friday yet, so I'm really excited to update you guys how many we're able to sell Black Friday and over the weekend and Cyber Monday. I'm guessing it's going to be close to 15-20 grand total this year. And then finally, if we go to items for sale, this is where we add that holiday detail special. And if you click on it, you could edit it. This is where you add the description down here. And it's unit backed. Make sure to select that. Balance to issue 400. And then, as you remember, that promo inside our promotions is set for 15% off or 50% off. And it's automatically triggered when customer buys. No minimum order. Percentage discount is 50. And it runs from now until the 30th of November. So that's what I have for there. And finally, what do you do to link it to your website? Well, you just go into settings, click on get your checkout code link, and then select your web builder. So us at Go Detail, like the students, for example, they all use Webflow. Myself, I'm currently using WordPress but I'm transferring to Webflow because it's way simpler to use Webflow and it's way faster. But yeah, just click on any one of these and it's going to give you this code. And then if you know how to embed a code on your website, if you don't, just YouTube it. But it's really simple. And once it's done embedding, you just click save and it should look like this. So it's kind of a third-party app on your website where people can go ahead and buy it. Really cool part about GiftUp is you could send it like via email, and you could even schedule when the customer is going to get that gift card. So if someone buys this deal and they want to send it out to somebody automatically on Christmas morning, they have that option, right? And you could also just print it, which, you know, a lot of people tend to do. It's typically 50-50, but a lot of people will print it and then put it in a nice envelope and then gift it for the holidays that way. So yeah, to send it out, really easy. Just go to Field. That's what we use. You could also use Go High Level if you know how to use that, and send, go to your contacts, select all your contacts, click the send SMS button, and then do it that way. And you could send it all at once or schedule at a specific time, send in drip mode, doesn't matter. But like I said, I prefer Field because I could be very specific with who we target. And if you guys are interested in Field, I'm gonna have some kind of link down below where you guys can get it for 50% off. So that being said, guys, I wish you the best luck selling gift cards this holiday season, and you could always ask me any questions on Instagram if you have any. The Instagram is just go.detail, and I respond to all of my comments. So just DM me if there's any questions, if I could help, and let's crush it this Q4 holiday season selling a bunch of gift cards. And I just wanted to quickly mention, if you have less than 100 clients, you could probably do this yourself just by sending those messages manually. But if you have over 100, it's going to be hard, and you should invest in some sort of CRM, whether it's Field or anything else. Field is just what we use at Go Detail, so that's why I showed it for this tutorial. But like I said, if you have less than 100 clients, you could just shoot these out manually, just copy and paste the same deal to all your customers that are saved in your spreadsheets or your contacts, however it is you keep track, and you should be able to set this up and still make a killing with gift cards. And lastly, guys, if you are interested in growing your detailing business, check the link below this video to book a call with our team, me and my manager, to see how we can help. And you are going to be eligible to get the best price of the year for a mastermind. And just to quickly go through it, there's weekly Zoom calls with me and my team. You know, you get all of our print marketing assets, done for you websites, field booking, all the tutorials on that, Google My Business, how to rank #1 in your city. For Google ads, same thing. Facebook ads is something new we just added, and it's been crushing it. Like yesterday, we booked 7 ceramic coatings using what we teach in this training. And we actually make the ads for you, which is different than agencies because, you know, they really complicate stuff. I want to teach you how to fish instead of handing you a fish. And that's what you learn in the Detail Mastermind. It's literally how to do everything yourself, how to grow your business to 50K per month without having to use an agency or any of that other BS in the industry. So I've personally used 5 different agencies. I've been burned 5 different times, and I don't recommend people use a car detail agency to get this set up because they're just going to honestly confuse you with all these automations, funnels, forms that you need to build out, and it's a lot simpler than you think. So If you guys are interested in learning how we do this, me and my students, how we crush the detailing business, then definitely check out the link below and join us this Black Friday while we have the special going on for the next 10 people to get $1,500 off the coaching program. So yeah, besides that, you're going to get your own website. It's one of the things we throw in there for free with this Black Friday offer. You get your own app, and there's 3 additional courses that you can't get anywhere else. So if that sounds of interest to you, click the link below, hop on a call with us, and let's talk about your situation, whether we could help or not. If we find out that we can't help, we'll still try to guide you and push you in a direction that we think will be beneficial. But I'm happy to talk to you either way, and I'll see you inside.